So good afternoon, traders. I hope you guys are having a great start to the week, and I hope everyone is, doing well. We sure are. If you guys managed to catch the live stream this morning, we managed to catch 2 trades for both 2 Rs. So amazing stuff. Zero losses, 2 wins. Great start to the week, right? It has been quite an eventful week this week. Huge pushes down on all pound pairs practically. Ones I trade anyways, a pound yen, huge push down, pound USD, huge push down, and pound Aussie dollar, also huge push down. Why that happens, I'm not going to get into it in this video, but I will have a video out hopefully soon about why pound actually crashed all the way down due to fundamental reasons. And second thing is this gold right here. So gold right here, we are trading and we're looking for buys, and it's because of this Wyckoff schematic over here, which I'll talk you through the phases and stuff like that and when we're looking to buy, right? Okay, so first of all, we have our preliminary support. Sorry, I can't say that word, preliminary support. It's quite hard to say, I don't know, for me anyways. It's basically the first initial push of the movement to the downside. After a huge push to the downside, we make preliminary support, which is basically temporary support, is how you want to put it, right? After that, we have our selling climax, is where the lowest point of the first phase is. You can see a huge push to the downside, very impulsive indeed, as you can see here. After the preliminary support, we do have our automatic rally, which actually ends a little bit lower than that. There you go. So our preliminary ends right there. Sorry, automatic rally ends over here. That's our phase. That's our phase A. Right here, so you can see, so you have PS, SC, AR, ST. So what's actually happening here is where big banks, quote unquote big banks, institutions are actually loading up their orders to push to the upside. And what happens is obviously we create a selling climax over here where loads of sell stops would potentially be at, as obviously, sell stops where price pushes down. Loads of breakout retail traders will be looking to sell, and actually catches them off guard in the market, as you can see here, which happens in the phase B. We also have on phase A, we also have the secondary tests of these lows. So you can see we push the lows, and then we actually have a secondary test on phase B over here, which is the where the market actually catches traders off guard here. That's the only thing you actually need to look for in phase B, basically the manipulation part of the market, right? Next thing is phase C, is where we're starting to create some support over here, which is obviously here it's called last point of support. However, it's kind of creating twice over here. If this support holds, it's great, but however, if it does actually hold level over here, then that's even better. That'll be another last point of support. Again, this is just a schematic. It's not always like this. It won't always be perfect like this. It's just an idea and basically basic market structure we have to be looking at, right? So you have 2 last point of support. We're actually breaking that a little bit here. However, if we do still finish above that, it's still supported by this level over here. And then if we do actually break down below, that's fine. We'll just extend our phase B and call this, if it rejects this level, is our last point of support, right? So what we're expecting is either we hold this level or we hold this level, and we'll call that as last point of support. After that ends, what we're looking for is a bit of a rally, here, maybe at one more last point of support over here for the push up, and then what we'll call that is our SOS, which is called strength, sign of strength, basically. Okay, so we're starting to see strength, and then we also have our break up up here / last point of support, all happening basically at the same time. Over here is where we start to break these levels, and what we'll want to do is actually wait for the breakout, put our buy stops up there, and then put our stop loss over here. And then what we'll actually look for is we'll target for the next level, which is, for me, it's going to be next major daily level up here for our overall targets. However, I'll probably be looking to take some profits off the table once we reach this level of 16. So 1 second. 1676, and then even like I'll even close a bit more once we reach 1680, as it is a psychological level, as you can see as well. We have loads of touches over here, so I'll be looking to close a majority of my what's it called, positions by the time we reach that, and just leave the rest actually going. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking for gold. I hope you guys learned something today. I know it was a bit of a shaky one. It was completely unscripted. It's all top. So it was, you know, it was all on the top of my head. So, you know, just give me a break and just let me off this one time. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. We'll wait for all the phases to be done, and then I'll show you guys the entry obviously on the Discord where I enter, where my stop loss is and stuff like that, so you guys can follow along with my trade and see how I'm managing my trade as well. So I hope you know, I hope you guys learned something, but that's basically it. So thanks everyone.